Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you're guys trying to figure out how to remove and how to install your engine cover. Stay with us, we're going to cover everything from start to finish and common mistakes that people make as well. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So, as you can see guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be demonstrating on. This is the engine cover that we're talking about, this right here. Now, you will need to remove that engine cover for multiple repair guys. For instance, spark plugs, ignition coils, valve covers, valve cover gaskets, PCV valves, injectors, let's say camshaft solenoids, all that stuff guys. So many things. But how you remove it guys? There is no bolts, there is no nuts, anything like that. You have 4 bushings usually that hold it in place. So you have to firmly grab it with 2 hands, okay, pull straight up, okay, then come on this side, pull as well, okay, you can see, and it comes out just like that. Now where are those bushings? Okay, check it out guys, one here, here, and one over there. These bushings attach to these balls, okay, to the valve cover right here. Okay, one here right there, and this one as well. Sometimes those bushings can come out guys, okay. If they come out, they may be stuck on the mount right here, so you need to manually remove it and reinsert in the valve cover so you can actually reinstall it later. Okay, that's okay, very important to do that, otherwise you will not be able to properly install the cover. And when you are ready guys, okay, when you are ready to install it, it will be pretty simple. You need to go ahead, grab it guys, okay, align everything really good, you can kind of like see where things are a little bit, okay, and just push it in, hear the clicks, make sure it's tight on each corner guys, okay, each corner needs to be tight. So that's it guys, hopefully the video will be helpful, thank you for watching and see you next time.